Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for standard purchasers. Chiliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to associate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital currency gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the valuable chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz cryptographic money cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Our ongoing CHZ to USD cost update shows the ongoing Chiliz cost is 12 cents USD. According to our Chiliz cost forecast, CHZ cost is supposed to have a 6.83% diminishing and drop as low as by April 2, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 58%, with a trepidation and covetousness record score of 63. Over the most recent 30 days, Chiliz has had 15 30th green days and 5.14% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $12 cents, and CHZ is as of now position no. 61 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Chiliz is $773,165,999.47, with a market cap of $6,718,673,450 CHZ. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHZ has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 6.15%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHZ has expanded by 15.57%, adding a monster normal measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Chiliz value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 16 cents. The most extreme level that the CHZ cost can reach is 19 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 17 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 53.8% by CHZ value conjecture for February 2023 in view of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 12 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 11 cents and at 13 cents individually. Likely return for capital invested, 7.7% by WAC 2023. Chiliz value gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the CHZ cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the greatest could reach 13 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 13 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 7.7% by CHZ value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value variances of Chiliz in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal CHZ rate they anticipate may be around 13 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 14 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 15.4% by May 2023. Chiliz value estimate around mid-year 2023. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at 13 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 15 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in May 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 23.1% by CHZ value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Chiliz costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 14 cents. The least and pinnacle CHZ rates may be 13 cents and 15 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 23.1% by July 2023. Chiliz value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will be around 14 cents. In July 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 14 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 16 cents in July 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 30.8% by CHZ value estimate for August 2023. Having broke down Chiliz cost, cryptographic money specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 17 cents in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 15 cents. For August 2023, the Guaj normal of Chiliz is almost 15 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 38.4% by September 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-2023. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the CHZ cost could change somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 38.4% by CHZ value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 16 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 18 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 16 cents. Expected return for capital invested. 46.1% by November 2023. Chiliz value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of CHZ costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 19 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 16 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. Possible return for money invested. 53.8% by CHZ value figure for December 2023 in view of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 17 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 19 cents individually. Possible return for money invested. 53.8% by Chiliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 23 cents. The greatest expected CHZ cost might be around 28 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 24 cents in 2024. Chiliz value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz. In 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 33 cents and 41 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 34 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Chiliz and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 50 cents, while its greatest can reach 58 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 51 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 88 cents and 73 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 76 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Chiliz. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.13. It could drop to at least $1.09. However, it actually could reach $1.31 all through 2028. Chiliz value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.54 and $1.89 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.59 during the year. Chiliz value expectation 2030. Digital